Good morning and welcome to today's class. I'm going to be showing you how to set up an ad on Meta Ads Manager. Go to your Play Store if you don't have Meta Ads Manager and type Meta Ads. Meta Ads. Open the app after downloading. As a new user, you'll be required to log in with your normal Facebook login details. And once you've done that, you also be required to add billing and payment method. So when you are required to add this, what you need to select is funding with your cards. So you add your payment method. You can choose to do transfer or whatever, but what works mostly for us is funding with card. You can see this account now is empty. If I want to add funds, I'll click on add funds. And here we have two methods, debit card or credit card. But what works majorly for we Nigerians is Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card. So it must be MasterCard or Visa card. So for you to fund the account, you now add any amount you want to. Let's say I want to fund 2,000 Naira. Then you either select this or select this, but this PayU is what works most effectively for us in Nigeria. You click next. So when it's done loading, you see other options to follow. Now, adding funds. Have you seen that I've been redirected now? If I click on continue, another page will show for me to enter my card details. So this is PayU Facebook ads. You are paying 2,000 Naira. You enter your card details here, say 5588, whatever. Then card holder, you enter your name, dates, you enter dates of expiry date and expiry year, that's the month and the year. Then you enter the 3 PIN numbers, CVV numbers on your card. Then once you are done with that, you continue with pay. An OTP will be sent to you for you to approve, and then they will automatically debit from your bank. So let's go back to Meta Ads. Now, if you want to set up an account, if you want to set up an ad, you must have an account. And as a Facebook user, you already automatically have one account, one ads account. You have it automatically. So you can decide to create more. You can see that here I have 3 different accounts. All right. So now click on this green button. Now listen very carefully. This area is very important. You have to choose either engagement, awareness, traffic, lead, sales, or app promotion. Engagement posts is to get more messages and then to get more people to view your videos, post engagement, page likes, or event responses. So this is mainly to get people to like your page or to view your videos or to get more messages. Then we have number 2, awareness campaign. This is when you want people to be aware of your product or your services. So the main thing that you are doing here is to get people aware of your product or your services. Then we have number 3, the traffic. This traffic now is to send people to your destination, like your website, your app, or Facebook events, and even landing pages. So you can just, when you're creating your ad, you put the link to your website or put the link to your app. People can go directly to your app and then, get other informations and maybe end up buying from you. Then now we have another one we call lead generation. This leads is to collect for your business or brand information. This one you have to use forms. Once you use forms now, you'll be able to collect people's data like phone number, name, email on Facebook. Then we have the third, this fourth one, sales. Now, find people likely to purchase your product or service online. So this one is called sales promotion. You can just run it as a sales for people. You target specific people that needs the product you are selling or the service you are rendering. Then the last one is the app promotion, to find new people to install your app or continue. I don't know if you've seen all these new applications that are coming up. Once you click on them, it's redirecting you to Play Store or Apple Store for you to be able to download the app. So this is what this one does. So you choose based on what you want. You choose based on the result you want to get. Maybe if I'm advertising my shoe business or my clothes business, I can decide to use sales ads, to find people who are likely to buy my product. That's the type Amazon and AliExpress and all these e-commerce sites, that's the part they use. All right. Now, we have two options here, either to create new or to create from existing posts. Creating from existing posts means that you already have a post you created before or your ads before. So you can just come and select any of all these things you're seeing are ads that I've run before. Now you can just come and select any of this now and you know use it to run the new ad. All you have to do is just to edit it. So let's take for instance that we are going for post engagement. Now let's select engagement. Now we have two options in this engagement. Get post engagement. This is just for people to see your post, click on it, or react to your post. And then get messaging engagement. This one, people will come to your WhatsApp, people can come to your Messenger or Instagram DM. But what we use most times is WhatsApp DMs. You can also decide to, point it to your Messenger for people to directly, re- chat you or ask you details of your business from Messenger. So click on this now. So this is campaign, this is ad sets, and finally the ad itself. So what you have to do here is to name your campaign. What do you want to name your campaign? Let's say what are we going to learn it. Okay, let's say shoe. Okay. Um let's just name it anything. Okay, let's just say um um okay, let's just say shoes, anything. You can name anything, then go back. Now do your daily budgeting. This is also very important for somebody who is beginning new. You can decide to set your daily budget to any amount you wish to, and that is what will determine how many people Facebook will send to your DM. Let's say 2,000 naira a day. Budget is too low, blah blah blah. Okay, let's increase to 3,000. Even though their same budget is too low, but you can still use it. So you see now that I've already set my budget for this ad. So what it means is that Facebook will spend 3,000 naira daily from my account. Even if I have 1 million funded in my ads account, they are going to spend just 3,000 naira daily. Now go to next. So ad set name, you also expected to name your ad set. Let's say sales 2. Go back. Then schedule. You decide when your ad will start and you decide when it stop. That is what start time, end time. You could see start time and then you could see end time. Yes, so then here you have to select. Make sure that your phone number, your WhatsApp number is connected to your page. Now look at what you do now. You select WhatsApp business. You can remove Messenger if you don't want it, or you can add it. People will message you all around. Yes. And our next video, I'm going to explain how to do your audience targeting and how to do your placement. So start practicing what I've taught you now You can go on and ask me questions.